In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outer tie rod ends on this Ford Escape. These are going to be located behind the front wheels and it's attached to the knuckle. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the lug nuts, use a 19mm socket. And remove the wheel. Loosen up the jam nut. Use a 24mm wrench or a 15/16. Just crack that loose. Remove the cotter pin. I'm just using some side cutters. Take that off. Using a 17mm socket, take this nut off. Now you can tap this with a hammer. If it doesn't come loose, you may need a front end tool, a puller. Just get that set up. There we go. Just pop that off. It'll separate from the knuckle. Set that aside. Now take the tie rod off, just unthread it. You want to count the threads, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So write that number down. Take the tie rod. Get that started. Count the threads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Move the jam nut closer. I'm going to slide that out a little bit. Take the tie rod, line that up in the knuckle. Take the nut, get that started. And we'll tighten this up. I'm going to torque that to 35 foot-pounds. And if the cotter pin doesn't line up, you want to tighten it a little more until you can get the jam nut or the castle nut to line up for the cotter pin. Don't ever loosen it. That's good right there. Take the cotter pin, slide that through. Just take some side cutters and fold that over. And just trim the excess. And tighten up the jam nut. If you can get on here with a torque wrench, torque that to 66 foot-pounds. All right, that's good. Now install the wheel. Put the lug nuts on. Tighten those down. Now we'll torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.